Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I capture a very beautiful and natural moment, something we usually don't notice. सामने देखु बहुत सारा गोटे कि दीटा पक्षी नुह बहुत सारा पक्षी अच्छा छोट छोट बर्ड्स आपण मैंने केबे देखिछंती पक्षी मानकर डस्ट बाथ. I saw little birds enjoying dust bath. Instead of water, the birds were gently rolling in dry soil. Fine dust birds ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ helpful ଥାଏ ଯେମିତି କି fine dust absorb extra oil, removes tiny insect and keeps their wings healthy and light. When I saw this, I felt a deep connection with nature. Even little birds know how to cleanse themselves.